Welcome to today's exploration of the incredible achievements of four ancient civilizations: Mesopotamia, Babylon, ancient Egypt, and ancient China. While often remembered for their grand monuments and rich histories, these civilizations also laid the groundwork for many of the secondary elements that shape our modern world today. Let's delve in. Mesopotamia, situated between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, pioneered wheeled transportation around 3500 BCE. The Babylonians further advanced this with the establishment of the Royal Road, a major highway connecting major cities. Ancient Egyptians mastered the art of river navigation, using the Nile as a vital trade route. Meanwhile, ancient China's intricate canal system facilitated the transportation of goods and people, showcasing their engineering prowess. Writing began as a means of record-keeping. Mesopotamia introduced cuneiform script, one of the earliest writing systems, which evolved over time with Babylonians using clay tablets for legal and administrative records. Egyptians developed hieroglyphs, intricate symbols that told stories and recorded history on stone monuments and papyrus. Meanwhile, ancient China's oracle bones showcased early Chinese script, used for divination and documentation. Accurate measurement was crucial for trade and commerce. Mesopotamia and Babylon introduced standardized weights and measures, such as shekel weights and grain measures, to ensure fair trade. Ancient Egyptians used hieratic script for measurements, while also introducing the earliest form of currency, the deben, a unit of weight of copper or gold. In ancient China, bronze measuring tools were developed, emphasizing precision in trade and construction. Law and order were central to these civilizations. Mesopotamia's Code of Hammurabi, one of the earliest legal codes, established principles of justice and punishment. Babylonians expanded legal documentation, ensuring contracts and agreements were recorded. Ancient Egypt had its own set of legal papyri, detailing various laws and regulations. Ancient China's legal system was influenced by Confucianism, focusing on moral and ethical conduct, which was documented in legal texts. Art was a reflection of society and belief systems. Mesopotamians used cylinder seals for imprinting designs, while Babylonians created intricate bas-reliefs depicting gods and daily life.
Egyptian art emphasized permanence, seen in their monumental statues and wall paintings. Chinese art focused on harmony and balance, with jade carvings representing status and spirituality. Architecture showcased the grandeur and innovation of these civilizations. Mesopotamians built ziggurats, massive stepped temples, while the Babylonians are famed for the Hanging Gardens, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Egyptians constructed iconic pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs. Ancient China's architectural marvels include pagodas, temples, and the Great Wall, symbolizing power and protection. Mathematics was integral to daily life and innovation. Mesopotamians developed arithmetic and geometry, evident in their clay tablets with complex calculations. Egyptians utilized geometry for construction and land surveying, as seen in their precise pyramids. Ancient China's abacus showcased their advanced understanding of arithmetic, aiding in trade and astronomy. As we reflect on the enduring legacies of Mesopotamia, Babylon, ancient Egypt, and ancient China, it's essential to recognize their profound influence on modern society. Today, our global transportation systems, digital communication, and international trade owe much to the innovations and standards set by these ancient civilizations. Their writing systems laid the foundation for language and communication, evolving into the diverse languages and scripts we use today. Our standardized measures and currencies trace their origins to the meticulous standards set by these ancient cultures, ensuring fairness and efficiency in trade. Legal systems today draw inspiration from the principles of justice, ethics, and governance established by these civilizations, promoting order and accountability. The art styles, architectural designs, and mathematical principles of these ancient civilizations continue to inspire creativity, innovation, and intellectual pursuit in contemporary society. They remind us of the timeless human quest for beauty, harmony, and understanding of the world around us. Most importantly, the achievements of these ancient civilizations serve as a testament to the resilience, ingenuity, and collaborative spirit of humanity across generations and cultures. They encourage us to embrace curiosity, learn from the past, and strive for a future that honors our shared heritage while embracing innovation and progress. Thank you for joining us on this enriching journey through time and across continents. Let us continue to celebrate and learn from the wisdom of the ancients as we navigate the complexities of our modern world together.